Have you ever considered why bodybuilders are considered unintelligent? People with all muscle and no brains? Or why blondes are considered dumb? Or why Ron, who is handsome and fit, is considered unintelligent? Or why the Incredible Hulk lacks control? But Neville, who is academically strong, is a geek or a nerd. What are they trying to say? That beauty and fitness does not come with brains? Do you think that a bodybuilder just needs to work out and eat and do not use his brain? Do you think so that it is true? Hi, I am Shaurya Handa and today I am here to bust the myths about bodybuilding. Do you think that you can make your dream body within a week or two? It is not true so. You can only gain about 2 to 3 pounds of muscle, and that too if you have proper diet and a proper workout regime. So if you want to achieve your dream body, you'll have to be consistent for at least 5 to 10 years. You have to follow the same system every day. You have to eat every 2 hours. You have to work out very hard. You have to be better each day. And you need to have a mind and muscle connection. Bodybuilding is just like meditation. You need to keep all your stress and all your worries outside the gym. The gym is your temple and your coach is your guru who will guide you through your journey. You need to close your eyes and enjoy the workout and feel each and every muscle stretch and pull and work hard. You need to feel what kind of food suits you, what kind of food is good for you. After following my diet for around 3 months, I do not feel good while eating any fatty, although I have cravings for eating pizza and cheesy foods, but I avoid them. I mostly eat boiled food such as boiled chicken, red meat and eggs. I eat 12 eggs every day and around a kg of chicken and 250 grams of red meat. So it requires a lot of struggle, dedication and most important, a strong mindset. Along with exercise, it is very important to have a proper diet if you want to be a bodybuilder. You have to plan all your macronutrients which you have to take in the day. You have to make meals and plan if you are going out. I eat 5 meals a day which consist of more or less the same amount of calories. I start my day with meal 1 which is at 8 o'clock in the morning. I eat 6 egg whites which are boiled plus 200 gram oats for meal 1. I eat my second meal at 10:30 in the morning which consists of 250 grams of chicken plus 200 grams of rice. My meal 3 consists of 250 grams of red meat prepared in coconut oil plus 2 slices of bread plus green salad. I take my meal 4 at 4 o'clock which consists of 1 bowl of quinoa salad plus 1 scoop of whey protein. For meal 5, I have 250 grams of chicken with rice which is prepared in coconut oil. I take 2 bananas for my pre-workout and during the workout I take BCAA which are basically amino acids and glutamine which helps for my recovery and which is good for the gut health. For post-workout, I take 1 scoop of whey protein. Half an hour before I sleep, I take 30 grams of dry fruits plus 1 scoop of casein protein. It is very important to have a diet that supports your workout. You need a lot of motivation. You may feel demotivated in a week or 2, but you need to be motivated for your whole journey.
Along with bodybuilding, I am also interested in the fitness industry and I plan to do business in this industry in future.
My coach became my inspiration. First, I just wanted to have a fit body, but when I saw my coach, I decided to be a bodybuilder and my coach always pushes me and trains me to become better every day. He himself is 8 times Mr. Gujarat, and I am also training to be Mr. Gujarat in the next few years. You need to be a good manager to be a bodybuilder. You have to balance your social life, your bodybuilding, your eating time, and each and everything. You have to be very disciplined. People think that bodybuilding is a very glamorous world. It is not easy to be a bodybuilder. You also have to balance between your studies, plan everything which requires a lot of brain. You may excel in planning and management better practically than in classes by bodybuilding. Bodybuilding as a sport requires high endurance, rigorous training, and a lot of discipline. This is how I balance between my training, academics, and diet regime. All of this with a lot of hard work and a little smart work. Strength and fitness without brains is just a stereotype created by pop culture. So now you know that it's not all glamour, but also a lot of hard work and discipline.